Friend, today I want to start exercise 1.5. So, in exercise 1.5, what we have to understand, that is addition of real number, multiplication of real number, division of real number, and then we have to understand simplify. And last topic we want to take rationalize the denominator. So 5 topic today I want to explain. आज का जो टॉपिक है उसमें 5 टॉपिक हम लोग लेने वाले हैं. जो भी रियल नंबर है उसमें रियल नंबर में एडिशन कैसे करेंगे, रियल नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई कैसे करेंगे, रियल नंबर का डिवाइड कैसे करेंगे और रियल नंबर को सिंप्लीफाई कैसे करेंगे. ऑलरेडी इन लास्ट लेक्चर वी ऑलरेडी हैव गिवन फॉर्मूला टू सिंप्लीफाई. रियल नंबर को सिंप्लीफाई करने के लिए लास्ट लेक्चर में हम लोग ने फॉर्मूला डिस्कस किया था. टुडे वी वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड एडिशन, multiplication, division and simplify then rational number of real number. real number का एडिशन कैसे करेंगे, रियल नंबर का मल्टीप्लिकेशन कैसे करेंगे, रियल नंबर का सब्ट्रैक्शन भी कैसे करेंगे, रियल नंबर का डिविजिबल भी कैसे करेंगे, रियल नंबर को सिंप्लीफाई कैसे करेंगे और रियल नंबर में रेशनलाइज द डिनोमिनेटर. अगर डिनोमिनेटर में रियल नंबर है तो उसको रेशनलाइज फॉर्म कैसे करेंगे, that we want to discuss in today's lecture. So I think for addition and subtraction, multiplication, divisible, here examples are given, that is related with the exercise 1.5. So first sum is related with the addition. addition मतलब प्लस. तो प्लस के लिए सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट क्या था, जब हम लोग उसको वेरिएबल्स यूज करते हैं. अगर हम लोग someone asked me कि please add this, तो what I have to do, मैं क्या करता है, what I have to do, so 2 plus 3 I have to do add 5 and variable I have to put as it is. Same thing we can apply it here now. See, 2 plus 2 root 3 minus 5 root 2. Now here it is plus root 3, so I have to write plus root 3 at here and plus 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2. Now I want to simplify. मतलब यहाँ जो वेरिएबल है x है, सेम थिंग अगर हम लोग रियल नंबर को x लेंगे तो ये रूट 3 एज इट इज. सो रूट 3 हैव टू पुट एज इट इज. नाउ रूट 3 के आगे कुछ नहीं है तो क्या लिखने का, 1. सो 2 plus 1 दैट इज 3 रूट 3. अगर यहाँ पे रूट 2 एज इट इज क्योंकि वेरिएबल है. अगर 2 plus 3 5 है, if I will write now minus 3x plus 2x, तो मैं क्या लिखूं, what I have to write. Then difference of sign, हम लोग ने फर्स्ट डे का जो लेक्चर था, difference of sign we have to do always subtraction, that is minus 3 plus 2 that is minus 1x, we have to put as it is variable. So now if we will say that minus 5 plus 2, minus 5 plus 2 that is minus 3. So 3 root 3 minus 3 root 2, that is our answer for the addition. Now we cannot do further, इसका आगे हम लोग एडिशन नहीं कर सकते. We cannot do it because root 3 and root 2 have different value, so we cannot add it. So 3 root 3 minus 3 root 2 is the simplest form for the एडिशन. आगे जाके 11 12 या 10 के अंदर when रियल नंबर का वैल्यू रूट 3 वैल्यू is given 1.71, then you can put it. root 2 value is given on that time 1.41, you can put it, but now it is not necessary, just you have to addition. So in addition what we have to understand, same sign again addition, difference of sign subtraction. So in this term, first term is addition, 2 root 3 minus 5 root 2 and root 3 plus 2 root 2. So like टर्म के नीचे like टर्म करने का. So यह root 3 के नीचे root 3, root 2 के नीचे root 2. उसके बाद if we will simplify, then we can get 3 root 3 minus 3 root 2, 2 plus 1 3 minus 5 plus 2 that is minus 3. That is the first example that we have understood related with the addition and subtraction also. Now example number 2, if more than 2 terms are there, यहाँ पे 2 ही टर्म थे लेकिन 2 के ज्यादा हो गए तो what we have to do, so more than 2 terms we can do same pattern. Now 2 root 2, so first of all I have to write 2 root 2 plus 5 root 3 minus 7 root 5. Now what I have to do? 3 root 3. So I have to put, where I have to put 3 root 3? Below 5 root 3. Why I have to put below 5 root 3? Because root 3 are same. Always remember like that. Same thing where we are using variable is same. That way we have to write root 3. Now minus root 2. So where is here minus root 2. Now here it is root 5. So where is root 5? Here. So plus root 5. प्लस रूट 5 के आगे कुछ नहीं है, वी हैव टू टेक एज ए 1. यहाँ पर भी कुछ नहीं है, वी हैव टू टेक एज ए 1. नाउ इफ आई वांट टू सिंप्लीफाई दिस, व्हाट आई हैव टू डू? इफ आई वांट टू सिंप्लीफाई 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2, सिंप्लीफाई डिफरेंस ऑफ, वी हैव टू पुट रूट 2 एज इट इज. हम लोग क्या करेंगे? रूट 2 को एज इट इज रखेंगे. अभी हम लोग क्या करेंगे? 2 minus 1 that is 1. 5 plus 3 8 root 3 as it is. Again difference of sign, always subtraction. minus 7 plus 1 that is minus 6 root 5. You have to put at 0. It is it. So now when more than 2 terms are there, we have to first find out the like term, that is 2 root 2 के नीचे क्या लिखेंगे? root 2 is only at here, but we have to write minus 1 root 2. Afterward 3 root 3, where 3 root 3? So below 5 root 3, because root 3 is that is same, and plus root 5 that I have to put it here. Now if we simplify difference of sign, always do subtraction. Difference of sign, always do subtraction, and same sign, always do addition. 5 plus 3 that is 8. 7 minus 7 plus 1 that is minus 6. We have to put as it is. So clear? So addition and subtraction we have completed by using these two examples. For TST exam or government exams, they ask such type of, some government exam में भी simplify में भी ये इस type के questions पूछे जाते हैं 1 या 2 marks. और in DST exam, research exam, NTSC based exam, NDA based exams, वो सभी एग्जाम्स में ऐसे टाइप के सम पूछे जाते हैं. नाउ टारगेट इज मल्टीप्लाइंग. सो नाउ हियर 3 root 5 by means multiply 2 root 5. Now what I have to first multiply? 3 2s are 6, and now root 5 into root 5. Root 5 into root 5. So root 5 into root 5, we can say 5, or we can say root 25. We can say root 25. But root 25 again answer is 5. Root 25 again answer is 5. So 6 into 5, that is 30. Again you will see that 1 marks question, government exams, all everywhere they can ask such type of questions. सब जगह पर ऐसे क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं. 3 root 5 into 2 root 5. 3 2s are 6. Root 5 into root 5. Root 5 into root 5, that is root 25. Root 25 means 5, and 6 5s are 30. So when real number multiply by real number, here it is also real number. 3 root 5 is also real number. 2 root 5 is also real number. Multiply by real number, we can get answer real number, because natural number, whole number, integers, rational number, irrational number, all are under the real number. So we can get this real number. One more sum is there, we have to also solve it. So 12 root 15. Now 12 root 15 into 4 root 3. Now again real number multiply by real number. So 12 into 4, that is 48, simple. Now what we have to do? Root 15 into root 3. So in bracket, in under root I have to write 15 into 3. So 15 3s are 45. That is 48 under root 45. Now we will think that there is a one perfect square number is between 45. That is 48 in bracket I have to write 9 into 5. 9 5s are 45. Now here 9 is come out as a 3. Why? Because under root 9 answer is 3. So 48 into 3 and root 5 as it is. Now 48 is 8 is 24. 8 to 8 is 24. 8 to 4 is 12. 12, 13 and 14 root 5. Again, this is important sum. We have to understand properly. Question is 12 root 15 into 4 root 3. So first what I have to do? 12 into 4, that is 12 4s are 48. Root 15 into root 3, that is root 15 into root 3, 15 3s are 45. Now factor of one of the pair of 45 is 9 5s are. So 48 under root 9 into 5. 9 come out as a 3. Why? Because under root 9 his answer is 3. So 48 into 3, that is 144 root 5. Again it is under the real number. So multiplication of real number by real number, we can get answer real number. So addition we have completed, in subtraction we also have completed, multiplication we have also have completed. Now topic is simplify. So already we have used different formula to simplify, that in our last lecture. So again I write the important formula related with the simplify. That is minus is at here. So when root a minus root b, I have to write a plus b minus 2 root a. That is a formula now. Again, root a minus root b whole to square. I have to write a plus b minus 2 root a b. So now what is a here? If I want to solve this, root 5 minus root 3 whole to square. So 5. Don't write this minus. We have to write the formula plus 3 minus 2. 5 into 3, that is 15. 5 into 3, that is 15. So 8 minus 2 root 15. Always remember. So I am writing the formula every time to understand it. Root a minus root b whole to square. Root a minus root b whole to square. Then I have to write a plus b minus 2 root a b. So root 5 minus root 3 whole to square. So root a square is a, root b square is b, and formula minus sign is at here. Here 2 we have to write it here, and root a into root b, that is minus 2 root ab. Root 5 minus root 3 whole to square, again 5 plus 3 minus 2 root 15. 5 plus 3, that is 8. Now if here there is a one sum related with the plus, if there is a one sum related with the plus, so I have to write, now formula is a plus root b whole to square. So that type of sums if we are, then what our formula is? Root a, formula is root a. If I will write a plus at here, so plus sign at here. So now question is 3 root 3 whole to square. If root a, answer is a, but here it is not root. Here it is not root. So what I have to write? 3 square. Now root b is b. So I have to write root 3, answer is 3. 2 into root a into root b. 2 into root a that is 3. And root b. So 9 plus 3 plus 6 root 3, that is 9 plus 12 plus 6 root 3. If you don't know this, there is another method to do this. Again, now another method I am doing it here. What I have to write? I have to write the square. So if square is there, so I have to write 3 square. Formula is 2 into 3 into root 3 plus root 3 square. So 3 square is 9, 3 to the 6, 6 root 3 plus root 3 square is 3. 9 plus 3, that is 12 plus 6 root 3. So from different way we can do this sum. 3 root 3 whole to square, we can directly apply root a plus root b whole to square, we can get answer. If we can use this formula a plus b whole to square, and using the formula a plus b whole to square, we can get answer a square plus 2ab plus b square, but we can get same answer. So it is the base related with the what we are simplifying, that is square by using the perfect square method, that is a plus b whole to square. Now still one sum remain, that is third sum. Afterward we can understand the rationalized topic. So now 6 minus root 6 plus 6 root 2. So third sum 6 minus root 6 and 6 plus root 6. So already we have discussed the formula of a minus root b and a plus root b. So answer is a square minus b. Same thing I have to write here. 6 square minus root 6 whole to square. 6 square is 36 minus 6, that is 30. 6 minus root 6, 6 plus root 6. It is called difference of square. The difference of square a minus root b, a plus root b. Our answer is a square minus b. Now, important topic, that is rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator is how to rationalize the denominator. It means in denominator form, here it is a real number 1 3 plus root 2. To rationalize the denominator is converted into a rational number. So to convert into a rational number, what is a basic factor? We have to opposite sign use, that is 3 minus root 2 upon 3 minus root 2. It means I multiply by 1. Identity of multiplicative is 1. If I multiply with 1, if you will cancel, it is 1. So now if you will see in numerator, that is 3 minus root 2. But in denominator there are two brackets. One is plus, another is minus. So here we are using, it is called difference of square, or every time you have to remember x minus y, x plus y. We have to write x square minus y square. So same thing we can apply it here. 3 plus root 2, 3 minus root 2, that is 3 square minus root 2 square. So 3 minus root 2. Now in denominator, because we want to rationalize the denominator. So in denominator 3 plus root 2, 3 minus root 2. X minus y, x plus y, x square minus y square. So 3 square minus root 2 square. 3 square is 9. Root 2 square is 2. So 1 by 7, 3 minus root 2. That is, now we will see that rationalize the denominator में हम लोग rational form में आ गया. So 1 upon 7 in bracket 3 minus root 2. That is called rationalize the denominator. That is first sum. Now second sum. Every time you have to remember x minus y, x plus y is equal to x square minus y square. Now second sum. So 6 plus 6 upon root 5 plus root 2. Now if you understand the first term, we can easily do it second sum. Now which formula I have to use it here? To rationalize the denominator, it means 5 plus root 2. So opposite sign of 5 plus root 2 means root 5 minus root 2. So I have to multiply both numerator and denominator by its opposite sign. जो डिनोमिनेटर के अंदर जो दिया गया है उसका ऑपोजिट साइन से we have to multiply. Root 5 plus root 2. Opposite root 5 minus root 2. So now 6 in bracket root 5 minus root 2. Here root 5 square is 5, because we know that x square minus y square. Root 5 square is 5 and root 2 square is 2. So 5 minus 2, that is 5 minus 2, that is 3. 6 root 5 minus root 2. So 3 2s are. So 2 in bracket root 5 minus root 2. Again I explain. 6 upon root 5 plus root 2, opposite sign of it, that is root 5 minus root 2. Difference of square, we can get 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2, that is 3. In numerator here it is 6. So 3 2s are 6, and in bracket 2 minus root 5 minus root 2. Now last sum, that is root 3 plus root 2, root 3 minus root 2. Again rationalize. I have to write root 3 plus root 2 and root 3 plus root 2. Always same sign, we have to multiply numerator and denominator. So in above it is root 3 plus root 2 whole to square. And here again root a plus root b, root a minus root b, answer is a minus b. So root 3 minus root 2, here it is root 3 minus root 2, root 3 plus root 2. So what we have to write answer? 3 minus 2. So I have to write 3 minus 2. But root 3 plus root 2, if I want to open it, which formula I have to write? Is a plus b, that is 3, a plus b, that is 2, plus 2 into root a root b, that is 3 2s are 6. Here it is 1. So 5 plus 2 root 6, that is our answer. 5 plus 2 root 6. So I think all important topic related with the real number we have completed. That is the last topic, rationalize the denominator. Now exercise 1.5 you can easily solve this.